We started doing the take-backs with the DEA 2 years ago, and we had such a huge turnout. We had people come from Sterling, from far as Dixon, to drop off their meds. And I think the first year we had 80-some pounds of prescriptions we collected. Just huge for little. Even the DEA was like, "Are you kidding me?" And to this day, I have people just walking into the police department with these huge bags of medication saying, "How can we get rid of them?"
We've got Audie Foster here and Ron Smith from Illinois American Water. They have donated this drug disposal box for us. Recently, I'd say probably a month ago in Sterling, they unveiled their box, and Chief Potoff says they've got close to 40 pounds of unused and unwanted prescription medication there so far, which is very important to not only the environment, but to our children's health. One of the biggest things that we've seen here in Whiteside County as far as our drug problems is probably 50% of it is prescription medications.
It's a really great thing that these people have teamed up and made this available to the citizens of Whiteside County, so it's a really awesome thing they've done today.
With the community getting behind a program like this, with the police chiefs, the sheriff, we know that we've given parents an opportunity here to keep their kids safer.
And I want people to know too, they can bring things in here. There's no questions asked. They can walk in and put the pills in there as long as they're nothing liquid, no needles, no mercury, anything like that. Just dry medications, and it doesn't make any difference to me if they come in with a bag of them and drop them in there. I don't care. There's not going to be questions asked. We're not here to arrest anybody for bringing anything in. Feel free to come in and do this, and it'll get things off the street.